or the wee video for ProImageNI showing how to use the custom school leavers hoodie quick quote to set up products. We want to go first of all to the catalog and school leavers quick quote. Once we're on that page, you can choose the school logo. For this demonstration, we'll just use a demo logo, and a names list, which would be like a Word document of a random list of names, or not a random list of names, sorry, a list of names from the year group. The user can fill out all the rest of this, the basic info and pricing details, and press the submit button. You will then get an email with the logo, the list of names, and all the contact information. Then there's the other side of this, which is the custom product builder, and we're basically going to use the custom product builder to create the product that has been sent in using the previous contact form. So we can go to the images here and upload an image. You can see here that we've got the logo, ProImageNI. So I'm going to use a different logo, but if you put that one in, you can move it around, change the size, I want to put this one in because this one has a white background, and a lot of users will probably have the same type of thing. Up here where the filters are, you can choose the remove background option and just flick that slider just up a bit until you clear out all the area you don't want. You can resize the logo and then reposition it wherever you want. That looks quite good. We'll change the color though. The color looks better in black. Yeah, that looks cool. Again, we're not going to use the product builder for actual sales or sending out a link for sales. This is to allow someone to create just a one-off product and order multiple quantities of. So this is for like anyone really. The next step would be to go to the back, and you would have already prepared a graphic with the images for the background. Here's one that's been prepared earlier, and in an example like this where somebody has a black image, or your graphics team have created the image, and obviously with a black hoodie and a black background you wouldn't really want that. So up here you can use some of the fill options, and you can actually override the fill on any image, provided it's a PNG file. Yeah, so once the front's looking quite good and the back's looking quite good for the school leavers hoodie, you want to then use this system to save the images out. So up here in the menu, up here at the top, we want to go to print and select PNG. You can choose what size you want. You can go A3 if you want a really big image, but A4 is normally fine. The rest of it's actually, all the presets are fine. You don't need to change any of those. Just press the download button and you're good to go. It'll download the image. Make sure you also switch back to the opposite side of the product. In this case, the front. And download it too, so you have both images downloaded. At this point, you want to just go back to your website and log into the dashboard, because it's now time to create the product. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, you want to go to products on the left hand side just here and select add new. For this, we're just going to write in test new product. First thing is to set the product image. So bear in mind, we've used the contact form on the website to collect the logo and the list of names. You've then prepared a graphic with a list of names, and then you're going to use the product builder to create basically the graphics for the front and the back of the product. So there's the product front in. I'm going to add in the back image into the product gallery. So there's a product image and a product gallery. At this point, I want to write in here some short description. A test product. This is where you would write all about the quality of the product, the price and information, mostly about the quality though, and same here with the main description. You can add as much content as you want, and I would advise you to add as much as possible. In the product categories, yeah, you can tag it with School Leavers Hoodies. I'm not going to in this case because this is a private product for an individual customer. I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. A few things I forgot. In general, you want to set the price and the inventory. So test 01. There's no stock issues at all. Shipping around 1 kilogram. Go within brackets of 1 or 2 or 1.5 to 2.5. You can add the dimensions to 12, 5 of the packaging that you would use to ship out. There won't be any linked products. Attributes and advanced are something to talk about. But for now, we'll just view the product. Yeah, it looks pretty good. You can see the test new product being called Belfast High School, whatever. One of the things that's missing though is the sizes and the prices for the sizes. So we'll go and edit this product again. So if there's a small, a medium and a large, we want to change the product type, the product data from a simple product to a variable product. You need to go to the attributes. You want to create a new attribute. School Leavers Hoodie. Add. So let's select small, medium, and large. And you got to tag this, you got to select this option, used for variations, and hit the Save Attributes button. The next step is to go to Variations, and obviously create the variations from the attributes that you've just added to the product. Yeah, hit the various OK buttons. And the 3 sizes have been created for this one product. So if you know the small, the regular price is only $14.99. The medium is $17.99. And the large is $19.99. And press Update. Once that's done, you can view the product. You can see here that with the new test new product, or whatever the product's called, we've got an alternative image for the front image, and we have an option to buy it in the small, medium, or large. $14.99, $17.99, and $19.99. So a user that can then complete the purchase by adding the product to the basket and going to the checkout. Filling in the various checkout fields and completing their order. That pretty much covers how we're going to go about using the contact form initially, the School Leavers quick quote, to gather or garner the information that we need to then use the product builder to create the images. Then you're going to go into the database or into the dashboard to create the product. Now my recommendation for after creating the product will be to take the URL of the product and send that in an email to prospective buyers, or send it to the contact that filled out the quick quote form and allow them to spread the link, enabling you to make online sales for this product. That covers that. It also covers the ability for people to just make a group online order with delivery being made to the school, so they can just pick them up there, or you can post them out. There's so many options, there's so many different ways to do this, but this basically covers how to turn the information from a contact form into a product that is available to sell on your website. That pretty much covers it. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.